Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have a different kind of car charger product for your cell phone. It is a car suction cup mount. It's a little bit different from the ones you've seen on my channel where you hook up to your AC vent or you suction cup to your dash and it has the big arm. This one's more compact and it's got a couple other storage options. So this is the box it comes in. Like I said, it does support quick charging as long as you have the right AC adapter for the brick. And pretty straightforward for the box. It comes with a single page user manual, but you really don't need this because it's all self-explanatory. Then you also get the USB cord here. It is a Type-C connection, so it's the more modernized cord connection, which is nice. And then this is the device itself. So as you can see, it's a little different shape. You have, it's all kind of got this like silicone rubbery feel to it. And on the bottom here, you've got these grooves, and then you just peel this back, and this has got the sticky stuff to put on your dash, and that keeps it from sliding around. On the back side here is some basically breathing holes, and then that's where you plug it in. And then let's go on the front here. So you got these, this is where it does the charging. And then it's got these extra little suction cups to help keep your phone from sliding around. And how that works is you just basically, slide your phone in there and it's not going anywhere. And then you also have along the side here these little grooves. So if you have something plugged into your headphone jack and you have an extra cable coming through, or you have in here, let's say you have this plugged into your car to stream music or something like that, you can run the cable so that way you don't have it just dangling loose. And then this also works as a nice little tray for coins or whatever. Now, keep in mind, this doesn't necessarily have to be used in the car. I actually like this up at the office. I have it sitting next to my computer monitor because I can see, I stream music a lot, and I can have the music art on the phone, and it shows everything, and then, I can throw coins or whatever here in the little holder. But that's basically it. Like I said, I'll include a link down below if you want to check out what other people are saying on it, see what other reviews are. I do respond, so feel free to hit me up in the comments section. And help me out with my channel and hit that subscribe button, like, and share the video if you thought it was helpful. And then until the next review, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.